Imagine waking up to a view of Palm Jumeirah. Well, I'm here to show you another project by the Mac. This is the Mac Bay, branded by Cavalli. Cavalli is a well-renowned fashion designer, an Italian fashion designer who is known for his exotic artwork. Well, he specializes in animal print. Hi, this is Anora, and I'm here in the show apartment of the Mac Bay. Let me walk you through this entire apartment and show you how the Mac has incorporated Cavalli's work and designs on this entire apartment. This is your massive living room, where on your left hand side you have this beautiful dining area, and on my right hand side you have from the floor to ceiling a wall filled with the animal print. Well, this is what Cavalli is known for. He is known for his art and his hands in the animal print section. And walking forward, you have the view, which I'll show you later. And this will be your seating area where you can treat and greet your family and friends. As you enter in, you'll find a semi-open kitchen with an island countertop. On my left-hand side, you will find a refrigerator. You have so many spaces. You have ample amount of space to keep in your things. It's a dual-door refrigerator. And even down, you have quite a lot of storage spaces. And you have a countertop right over here to keep in your varieties of things. Again, storage spaces. So this kitchen basically, although it's not quite massive, you have ample amount of space right here. So here you have the washing machine hidden, you have the oven, you have also a few cabinets, and all these have been branded by Millet. And you have this amazing marble which you can see on the entire apartment. It's by Volcas. So this is your sink. Well, you have an amazing view when you're doing your dishes. When you're cooking, you have a beautiful view. Simultaneously, along with the view, you also have this light. You do not need any other form of artificial lighting. You have natural light right outside. On my left hand side, you'll find a tiny powder room. And walking forward on my right hand side, you have a sitting area where you can sit and have a tiny chit chat every evening. And moving in, you have your bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. So here on my left hand side, you can see you have the wardrobe where you have space for your storage with inbuilt lights. Coming forward, you have storage area here where you can keep your awards and your accessories and any form of showpieces that you like. Here you have space for your personal TV. Then moving forward, you have again the view. You have direct sunlight that's hitting on your faces every morning. So here you have beautifully printed hatchback, and the thing about all these is each wall is printed. You don't have anything that's just kept it simple. So that's what they have incorporated in the entire apartment. Moving forward, as I walk in, you have your dressing table, ample amount of space for your dressing. So here also you can see you have the print on each wall. Then here you have the closet again, wherein you can keep your clothes, your accessories, anything. So up ahead, we are going to the washroom. You can see this has inbuilt lights. So that gives a very beautiful look to your washroom. This is beautifully designed washroom. It's given a theme of white and a little bit of grey. So here you have your bathtub, dual wash basins, you have your washroom and a stunning view. So that was your first master bedroom. Now moving up, this is your staircase wherein I'll show you what the first floor looks like. So these You can see there are marbles on the staircase as well. This is same that I have mentioned that's there in the entire apartment, and these are by Volcas. Come, let me show you. Coming to the first floor. So this is our first floor. As you walk in, on my left hand side, you find this beautiful mini lounge where you can sit with your family and spend some spare time. Moving forward, on the first floor, we have your second bedroom. Let me show you how your second bedroom looks like. Your second bedroom, where right on the left hand side you have this closet space, and the whole bedroom has been kept very minimalist. So you can see the detailing on the walls which you will be getting, and the prints on the walls are similar which we saw down. You get this beautiful patterns on each of your walls along with the same flooring. So the concept of this bedroom they have kept is black and white. Well, you'll not be getting in the same loose furniture, but the flooring and the walls will remain the same. So let's move forward on what this bedroom offers. So right here, you have space for your dressing table. And moving forward, here you have your massive bathroom, where this side you have your shower room, here you have your washroom, you have the Jack and Jill, a bathtub with iron view. This was the Mac Bay. The payment plan is structured at 60-40, that is 60% during construction and 40% at handover. And the starting price for one bedroom apartment is 3.5 million dirhams. Now, if you have any more questions about this and want to know more about this apartment, then contact me on the number given below, and I will catch you in the next video.